I'm Dr. Michael Freund. I'm a new professor in the Department of Chemistry here at Dalhousie University. Everybody's aware of the fact that we need new sources of energy because the population is growing in the world. If we were to continue business as usual, we'd have to generate so much more fossil fuels to power the planet. There's need for wind, hydro, as well as solar sources of energy, renewable, that will handle the expansion as well as trying to minimize the impact on the environment. In Nova Scotia, there's a lot of interest in solar energy. The issue is that what do we do when the sun isn't shining? So my research deals with solar fuels, so converting sunlight energy into chemical energy. The holy grail in the solar fuels area is to come up with a material that will absorb light and then basically generate a fuel. Imagine a membrane that very much like a leaf does, that absorbs light, but instead of generating sugars, let's say it would generate methanol that would just weep off of the sheet plastic into a can that you could then use as a fuel. That would be huge, especially in developing countries and remote locations where it's very difficult to ship in fuels. Even in Canada, where we need to store energy in the winter time. So instead of having to build a whole grid, if everybody could have their own localized energy supply, that would be amazing. It's incredibly complicated to design a system that does precisely what we want in an inexpensive way that will last a long time and is efficient. I believe in climate change. And so that's why I'm committed to this research, and that's why I'm focusing my research program on it. I think in Canada, we're on the front lines of climate change. We can see it. We should be the ones that are coming up with new technologies to address it. Research Nova Scotia funding for research infrastructure is absolutely critical in building labs like ours.